Stop. You have been eating mango the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, where we peel back the layers of common foods to reveal the extraordinary medicine hidden inside. Most people treat the mango as just a sugary tropical indulgence, but by focusing only on the soft pulp and tossing the rest, you are discarding some of the most potent biological compounds found in nature. To truly respect the king of fruits, we must understand its legendary past. Mangoes originated over 5,000 years ago in the sub-Himalayan plains of India. In ancient times, they were so revered that they were considered a symbol of spiritual perfection and even used as royal gifts to seal peace treaties between warring kingdoms. From the sacred groves of Buddhist monks to the sprawling plantations of the Caribbean, the mango has been a cornerstone of vitality for civilizations across the globe. When we analyze the nutritional density of a mango, it is clear why it earned its royal title. A single mango is an explosion of life-sustaining nutrients, providing over 2/3 of your daily requirement of vitamin C and a massive surge of vitamin A. But the real secret lies in a rare polyphenol called Mangiferin. This is a unique super antioxidant found almost exclusively in the mango tree. Modern clinical studies are now confirming what ancient healers always knew. Mangiferin is a powerful shield that protects your cells from DNA damage and fights off the silent killer known as chronic inflammation. Combined with high levels of folate, B6, and iron, the mango acts as a high-octane fuel for your brain and blood, optimizing your energy levels at a cellular level. These nutrients deliver profound health benefits that reach every corner of your body. The rich beta-carotene in mangoes is essential for maintaining the health of your eyes, acting as internal sunglasses that filter out harmful blue light from screens. For your digestive system, mangoes provide a specialized group of enzymes called amylases. These enzymes act like a natural biological key, breaking down complex starches into easily digestible fuel, while the fruit's unique prebiotic fibers feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This makes mango one of the most effective natural tools for improving gut transit and skin clarity. Because your gut health is directly reflected in your complexion, the copper and vitamin C in mangoes work from the inside out to build firm, glowing skin, making it a true fountain of youth you can eat. However, the reason I told you that you have been eating it wrong is that the most medicinal parts of the mango are often the ones we ignore. Many people avoid the area closest to the large central pit because it is fibrous, but that is exactly where the highest concentration of digestive enzymes and mangiferin is stored. To eat a mango right, you should be scraping every bit of that pulp from the seed. Furthermore, the way you time your mango consumption changes its impact on your body. If you eat a soft, overripe mango as a dessert after a heavy meal, you risk a massive blood sugar spike. To unlock its true power, you should consume mango when it is just slightly firm, and ideally on an empty stomach or paired with a healthy fat like walnuts to stabilize your insulin response. This ensures you get the energy without the sugar crash. Of course, even the king of fruits requires some caution. Mangoes contain a natural organic oil called urushiol, the same substance found in poison ivy. While it is mostly concentrated in the sap and the very outer skin, sensitive individuals might experience mango itch on their lips or hands. If you're prone to skin reactions, always wash the exterior of the fruit thoroughly before slicing it. Additionally, while mangoes are incredibly healthy, they are calorie-dense. If you are managing your weight or blood sugar, treat the mango as a high-value fuel source rather than an unlimited snack. Moderation is the key to turning this tropical delight into a powerful health ritual. Choosing the right mango is a skill that requires you to use all your senses. Stop looking at the color. A bright red mango isn't necessarily riper than a green one, as color varies by variety. Instead, use the gentle squeeze test. A nutrient-rich, ripe mango should feel like a ripe avocado, soft enough to give slightly under your thumb, but not mushy. Most importantly, follow your nose. A mango that is ready to heal your body will have a potent, sweet, and floral aroma radiating from the stem end. If there's no scent, the fruit was likely picked far too early and will be nutritionally deficient. Look for a plump, football-shaped fruit and avoid any that have shriveled skin or deep, dark bruising. Once you have selected your perfect fruit, you must store it correctly to preserve its delicate antioxidants. Keep firm mangoes at room temperature on your counter. Putting an unripe mango in the fridge is a recipe for disaster, as the cold will kill the ripening enzymes and turn the flesh woody and tasteless. Only once it reaches peak ripeness should you move it to the refrigerator, where it can stay for up to 5 days. If you slice it, store it in an airtight glass container and eat it within 48 hours to prevent oxidation. By treating the mango with this level of respect, you are doing more than just eating. You're investing in your longevity. Your heart, your eyes, and your gut will feel the difference.